Hey everyone, well it's Fast Food Friday food review time once again, and today I'm off to Domino's because they've got a brand new product out, the oven baked sandwich. There's 4 different flavors. There's crispy bacon and sausage, crispy chicken and slaw, 6 meats, and chicken, bacon and avocado. That's the one I've ordered today. It looks pretty good, so let's whip on into Domino's and give one of these oven baked sandwiches a go. I'm really looking forward to this. Alright, well here's the oven baked sandwich. It smells pretty good. Let's go find somewhere so we can suss it out and see what it looks like. Now the website says that this is a soft and crispy cabiata generously filled with seasoned chicken, sliced avocado, rasher bacon, cheese, spinach, spring onion and a tangy ranch sauce. Well, it's a big claim. Let's have a look. Oh dear. Oh, gee. Must have had the ovens turned up too high. So we've got some burnt spinach. Looks like there's been a bushfire. So there's the cheese, we got some bacon here, there's some slices of avocado, and it looks like the chicken's all sort of diced up into little bits. It doesn't look very appetizing, does it? Oh. I brought the tape measure. Let's see how big it is. 16 centimeters. That's nearly 6.5 inches. Well, that's a fair size. I'm actually jealous. Stop it. I also brought the scales. Let's see how much it weighs. 250 grams. That's 0.55786 something of a pound. Which is pretty much exactly the weight of a hamburger. Right, well, here's the cremated mess that I received. Let's see what it tastes like. Actually, I'll turn it around so I don't have to eat that burnt bit. Let's go. The bread actually tastes like one of their pizza bases. Nice. But I'm struggling to taste any flavours in this thing. Where's that ranch dressing, by the way? Is this it here? Can hardly even taste it. Let's take another bite. I've got a hint of bacon then. There is spinach on there and I can sort of taste the moisture from that. I just got some avocado, but I really just can't taste any chicken on this at all. It's I just can't taste anything on it really. It's like a nothing burger. Come on Domino's, don't let me down. Let's have another bite, see if I can discover something. No, it's a nothing burger. Right, well, I think I've had enough of it now to know what score I'm going to give it out of 10. So it retails at $8.95. I tell you what, I'd rather order one of their pizzas and get something half decent than this. It doesn't taste bad. If you can taste anything on it. I mean, the flavors are pretty good, but you have to really go searching for them and, well, they're just not there. So it's a bit of a dud. Like, there's nothing that's really screaming for me to just dive on in and go and order another one. In saying that, I wouldn't mind trying some of the other ones to see what they're like. There's just not enough flavor on this thing to really get me going back again and trying the chicken, bacon and avocado, that's for sure. And for $8.95, I'd definitely be getting a pizza over this. And the fact that it's pretty badly burnt doesn't help its cause either. I mean, I don't even want to eat that. Really, I'm only getting 3/4 of one of these because, I mean, I'm not eating that. It's poor man's food. Well, maybe I should eat it because I am poor. So for all over flavour, all over value, all over taste, all over everything, Domino's for this half burnt, pretty average, whatever it was, roll, I'm giving you 5 out of 10. So what's my recommendation? Well, I mean, that's not bad. It's average. So it's not great, but it's not awesome. It's just something to eat, and it's probably worth giving it a go. Why not? You might want to ask for them not to burn yours though, because it could cost Domino's quite a bit with people going back and complaining and getting free ones. So be careful, Domino's. Have you tried the new oven-baked sandwich? Which flavour did you try? Did you like it? Did you love it? Let us know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next review. Well, I'm going to eat the burnt bit because I hate wasting food, and I'll see you next time.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking. Ooh yeah.
Well, I just ate some of the burnt bit, and I tell you what, it doesn't taste too bad. So I'll review my score and give you a 5.5.